Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope so you all will be fine. Let's move on to one of the major Bitcoin update on the high time frame as well as on the lower time frame. And we are also going to discuss some of the altcoins in this video. For example, XRP, INJ, and some more like Propsy as well as uh, yeah, definitely we are going to talk about LTC and ADA, Matic, etc. as well. So first of all, let's move on to our Bitcoin update. Right now on the lower time frame, I'm about to start from the lower time frame. On the lower time frame, I'm long from 28.7k. Just tweeted few minutes ago, I guess. Yeah, 3 minutes ago. I have long Bitcoin, and then I'm basically making up this video. Why? First of all, I'm gonna tell you why I'm long on Bitcoin from $28,700. I'm long on Bitcoin from $28,700, expecting some rangings to play out. For example, these are the rangings. This is a scalp for me if the Bitcoin just goes and consolidates over here, and I will move my stops to break even. Otherwise, if it goes and reclaim back over this one, then I'm gonna definitely go for 30.6k and 31.3k targets, round about $31,000. First of all, I want Bitcoin to basically reclaim back this previous pivot low, and then definitely this is going to be uh, a very good push. At least till range lows are 29.5k. So this is some of the lower time frame update. However, my stop loss on this one is just simple acceptance back below this range. Like, I'm gonna wait for 1 or 2 1 hour candle closures below this level to basically stop out. Otherwise, I expect it to move towards the upside. So let's move on to higher time frame, as like on the daily. First of all, I'm gonna show you just a simple level. Just have a look at this higher time frame level. What you guys can see is very simple. A very good level lies over here. Let me turn off my magnet. Yeah, 28.7k is kind of very decisive support and resistance level. And I'm gonna draw one more trend line over here. This one. Right now, you guys just have to focus up on these trend lines. Now I'm gonna draw some rectangles. Yeah, now our high time frame is pretty clear. This is the zone to hold, otherwise we are going towards 25-26k, and probably if we go towards 25k levels, we will definitely gonna get a sweep below previous higher low. And on the other hand, what I expect, to be honest, I still expect some more chop towards 31k, 30k, something like this. Not exactly like this, but something like this, straight up, then slow chop, slow downtrend. We're gonna spend some more time within these rangings on the higher time frame. For extreme high time frames, people looking this video for like buying for the long term, I'm not buying for the long term, and this is pretty clear. Even if it goes back toward our previous mid ranges of I guess these ones. Yeah, we also have a 0.5 level around 0.5 equilibrium level at 28.7k. Oh, sorry, not 28.7k, but 24.8k, where our current range low is lying. For example, this is our range low, right? And there was another 0.5 level from. Yeah, I was basically talking about the higher time frame. Even if the price goes back for a new high, something around 35k, 36k, between mid of these two levels, 0.5 of these two levels, I'm still not gonna buy for the long term. Why? because I want to see a clear. For example, look at this. This was our lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high is broken, right? Now the trend is shifted. Higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. I want to see a clean sweep of these higher lows. Might be in a flash crash. I still think $20,000 will come. I still think on the high time frame that $20,000 will come and we will buy that. But until that, why should not we play the lower time frame scalps? So this is one of the major reason I'm not buying very heavy spots in these days. Yeah, I'm also long on Bitcoin right now, but that does not mean I'm not expecting the lower on the high time frame. Bitcoin might do something like this, not exactly like this, but like this, chop more. I will take some profits here, take some profits here, move stops to break even, goes back down. I don't care if it goes back down after hitting my target, and then I'm gonna definitely gonna buy $20,000. So we are just staying with our plans, sticking with the plans. Now we are moving towards Ethereum. Sorry. So looking at Ethereum, this is to be honest still very bearish. What is this? This is my previous chart, maybe that went above 1936. So okay, just have a look at on the daily time frame. To be very honest, Ethereum still looks bearish to me. The reason is pretty simple. We just have range low, we just have range high, we have deviated the range high. A retest to range high. This still looks bearish. This still looks bearish to be honest, but we have some FEGs on the upper side to be filled yet, like $2,400. But still, until Ether reclaims $2,031 level, I don't think so. I'm pretty bullish on this chart until this reclaims the range high back. So instead of Ether, I'm trading Bitcoin, to be honest. So let's move on to our XRP. Wow, this is your Bitcoin in 2024. Huge candles to the upside. So on the lower time frame, XRP, I'm looking for something like this to be formed before taking into any position. I want to see a sweep of these lows, reclaim, and then I'm gonna long this one. The same as like Bitcoin now. I have longed Bitcoin. I want to see something like this. Retest and I'm gonna long. I'm already long on Bitcoin, but I'm just giving you example of XRP, that why and when I'm gonna long XRP, right? I'm gonna long over here. On the higher time frame, XRP still looks bullish. Let's move on to INJ. INJ on the daily time frame have deviated back. Yeah, we nailed this trade before. Now the structure is like, look at this. This is what I expect on INJ. Just because the structure. Look at the structure. Higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low broken over here. Some more down, then we'll go back up to fill up this FEG, or even might fill this one. Around 9, 8, 9, comes back towards 6, goes back above all-time high. Not the all-time highs, but this year highs. BNB level in the sand. Yeah, this is a very big level, to be honest. Very big level here. What I expect is, I still expect move to the upside. I don't know why, but the chart says so. Like MSP, right? MSP. Feel this was your previous higher low, taken out, went back. Again, trying to scare out people over here at range lows. Might go back to the upside after the retesting earlier 200 levels, but still bullish on BNB just because of chart, not because of fundamentals. ADA, pure shit coin. I have never traded this. Like, yeah, I have traded this in past few months or past few quarters, but have never invested in this shit coin. But this is nice level to accumulate, like below 0.25. Matic, still same plan because we have weekly FEG over here. Same plan, nothing changes over here. Trias, a good long-term hold in my opinion, but it needs to go above $4 and hold there to move back towards. That's a clear 2x if it goes back above. Stop loss below these levels. Hold above these ones. Hold above 4. Buy. Sell at $8. Stops at 3.5. So a nice. You guys can say that 6 hour trade. Yeah. LTC. Basically LTC is showing some sell the news events or something like that, but structure wise, look at these coins. Look at like 80% of the coins are saying that they are about to go back up because these were the FEGs. People kept trying to long here, but now it's at the lowest point of the previous FEG. So yeah, the move can come towards the upside. In my opinion, a lot of alts are almost like sitting at the range lows. Also, I want to talk about Dodge as well. Pure shitcoin, but I think so. We are going to accumulate this in the coming days. We are going to basically accumulate this in the coming days. Not over here, but sweep of these. Gonna buy these. A lot of altcoins are basically sharpening up nicely for the upcoming weeks of the uptrend. Phantom is dying. No sweeps yet. Now, why I'm saying a lot of altcoins are forming up nicely for the uptrend. Just have a look at volume, have a look at OBB on several exchanges. You guys can see that this clearly. Look at this. Look at the on balance volume of FTM. I have just picked up a random chart. You guys can clearly see this, that the on balance volume is very high. The big whales are definitely accumulating. A really good fundamental coin, a zero. A coin with really good fundamentals. CIB, I'm not gonna talk about that at all. AVIX, this motherfucker. Yeah, this is just basically doing some SFPs from the range highs. Every altcoin is basically shaping up differently from the other altcoins. So we're gonna move on to the BVOL 24-hour volatility index to see when the volatility is coming. The volatility has been started. The volatility has been started. A move to the upside. We're gonna see a big move to the upside in the coming days or week. No, not the weeks, but in the coming 5 to 7 days, or maybe before that, we're gonna see some volatile moves. Hopefully towards the upside on the low time frame. Then we're gonna come back to downside. Bitcoin dominance. Same plan, nothing is changed over here. SPX. Oh my god. I remember this trade. Nice. Now I'm gonna come back with a new setup very soon on this one. I'm gonna short it at this level. Not over here. Not over here. I'm gonna short out for deviation. So this was a bit about major altcoins and Bitcoin, XRP, LTC, Dodge. We're gonna meet very soon again. So probably I will suggest you guys to lower down your size on the perpetuals and wait for the perfect opportunities on the altcoins in the coming weeks, coming days. We're gonna buy huge altcoins for the next run. Like Propsy, we just did 2x in few days like this. My entry is here, below $1 is my entry. Just gonna hold. I don't care if it comes back towards my entry or goes below that. Either I'm gonna lose everything, either I'm gonna make 10x, 20x, 50x. Also, sorry, I forgot to discuss about Woo. Gonna buy huge Woo over here. I don't care Bitcoin goes to hell or wherever it goes. We bought over here. We took profits over here at 3x. And I'm definitely gonna buy over here, take profits over here. Yeah. 6x, straight 6x. So these are my plans for the altcoins and for the Bitcoin as well. Hopefully we're gonna meet up soon in another new video. Take care till that.